Best European cities for walking tour, no car needed. Perfect for USA, UK, Canada, and mature, curious travelers who love slow travel, love exploring cities on foot. Here are Europe's top walkable gamps where history, art, and charm unfold step by step. No car required. 1. Prague, Czech Republic, the Fairytale city. Wander through cobbled lanes, medieval bridges, and pastel buildings. From Old Town Square to Prague Castle, every step tells a story. Stop for a chimney cake and soak in the Gothic charm, perfect for history lovers. 2. Vienna, Austria, Imperial elegance on every corner. Walk where Mozart played and empresses ruled. Stroll down Ringstrasse, visit Schönbrunn Palace, and relax in traditional cafés, a haven for culture seekers, classical music fans, and café-hoppers. 3. Florence, Italy, the Renaissance city. This compact masterpiece is best explored on foot, from the Duomo to the Uffizi Gallery. Every piazza is a photo moment, and every corner holds centuries of art. Pair it with Tuscan wine and gelato for a truly slow, soulful experience. Why these cities? Walkable city centers. Rich in culture, architecture, and history. No rental cars or long transits needed. Perfect for relaxed, immersive travel. Follow Global City Guide for more scenic, slow travel ideas designed especially for mature, curious, and culture-loving travelers.